I just realized I might have hugged the woman who stole me. My bedroom door is still vibrating from how hard I slammed it. Mom's crying on the other side, saying I'm still hers, always hers, but her voice sounds like it's coming through water, muffled and far away. My hands won't stop shaking because the attic box is still open upstairs, the yellowed missing headline staring at me like it knows my real name, and it's not the one she's been calling me for 15 years. I want to believe her, I do, but every photo on these walls suddenly feels like evidence. I stare at my bedroom ceiling, counting the glow-in-the-dark stars Mom stuck up there when I was 7. She climbed the ladder herself, even though she's scared of heights. Said she wanted me to have the whole universe if I needed it. The house smells like vanilla again. Mom's always baking when she's nervous. Cookies, brownies, banana bread. I can hear her humming through the floorboards, that same off-key lullaby she's sung since I can remember. My feet move toward the kitchen before I decide they should. She's wearing her lucky apron, the one with the coffee stains shaped like hearts. When she sees me, her smile cracks open wide enough to hide everything she's not saying. I sit at our scratched oak table where we've eaten 600 Sunday pancakes, where she taught me to spell my name in syrup letters. Mom slides a lemon bar across the table, still warm. Her hands shake just slightly, barely enough to notice mine do too. We match in all the ways that matter. I tell myself, same crooked pinky fingers. Same cowlick that won't behave same way. We both hold our breath when we're lying. But when I bite into the lemon bar, it tastes like goodbye. I push the attic ladder down, wood groaning like it's warning me. Dust snows on my hair, I taste chalk on my tongue. I tell myself I only need the plastic pumpkin, 30 minutes tops, then I'll be back downstairs eating the rest of the lemon bars. The air up here is thick, like breathing through a sweater. A single bulb flickers, ticking every time it swings. I duck cobwebs, their strings sticking to my cheeks, and I wipe frantically, heart already punching ribs for no good reason. In the corner sits the box Mom swears holds Dad's old uniforms. The cardboard is soft, edges drunk with moisture. I slice the tape with my house key, metal scraping, and the sound sets my teeth on edge. Newspaper on top, yellow as nicotine, crumbles when I lift it. The headline screams a kidnapping I half remember from history class, 15 years ago tomorrow. My stomach tilts, same date Mom celebrates as my half-birthday because adoption paperwork takes forever. Beneath the clip lies a onesie I've seen in our albums, faded rocket ships, one sleeve torn. It smells like attic, but also like the lavender sachets Mom keeps in my drawers. My palms start buzzing, blood sprinting to nowhere, then I see the foe. Me, toothless, cheeks blotchy, printed in black and white on a missing child flyer. The word missing stamped in red, the ink bled a little, looks wet all over again. My breath forgets how to exit, it camps in my throat, burning. I flip the flyer, handwriting jagged, not Mom S. If found, please. The rest is folded under a rubber band, hugging a sealed envelope. I can't open it, I just can't. My fingers spasm like they're not mine anymore. I drop the flyer, pick it up, drop it again. The attic bulb pops, darkness swallowing, then blinks back. I hear my pulse in my ears, ocean loud, and somewhere below, Mom sings while washing dishes, voice soft, off-key, ordinary. I clutch the paper to my chest, paper cut stinging, and every part of me shakes so hard the floorboards rattle. I don't know what I'm holding, only that it's heavy enough to break ribs. I slam my door so hard the framed picture of us at the fair jumps, glass cracking right across her smiling face. She pounds, begging that I was never meant to see those papers, that she's still my mother. I scream into my pillow until the words stop sounding like words, just noise, just proof I'm alive. When the house finally goes quiet, I slide to the floor, papers spread like dead leaves. Adoption finalized, my name, typed neat as a prison tag. I tell myself this is the worst part, the moment the floor caves, and if I can just survive this minute, the rest will only be aftermath. I breathe in, count 4, breathe out, count 6, the way she taught me during thunderstorms. Something loosens, a fist unclenches in my chest. I think, okay, she chose me, that's still love, right? I cling to that idea, small and slick as a lifesaver, and for a second it holds. Tears come then, ugly, grateful, mixing snot and relief. I wipe my face on the sleeve she once sewed stars on, whisper thanks to nobody, believing the storm has passed. I even manage a laugh, cracked and watery, because I'm still here, still hers, and secrets can't kill you once they're in the open. That's what I tell myself while I fold the papers, crease after crease, making the truth smaller, smaller, until it fits back in the envelope. I stand up steady, ready to hug her, ready to forgive, ready to be the kid who stayed. Doorbell cuts through the house like a smoke alarm. I open, without thinking. A woman I've never seen holds a newspaper clipping, my baby face under the word missing. She says my name like she invented it. Behind me, Mom's breath catches, high and thin. I feel the papers slip from my fingers again, the storm restarting, louder. I stare at the stranger's face, hunting for something, anything, that feels like home. The porch light hums overhead, moths throwing themselves against the bulb the same way my thoughts throw themselves against my skull. She says my name again, softer, like she's scared I'll shatter. Behind me, Mom's breathing goes jagged, a sound I've only heard once, when Dad fell off the ladder and she thought he was dead. I want to turn around, but my feet are poured in concrete. The newspaper clipping trembles in the woman's hand. My baby eyes look back at me, wide, trusting, alive, missing, the headline shouts. The date is 15 years ago next week. That's the part that knifes me. Mom said I was 3 months when she rescued me. This paper says I disappeared at 9 months. That's half a year unaccounted for, half a year Mom never mentioned. My stomach caves in like I've been sucker punched. I taste metal, I taste lies. The woman steps closer. I smell lavender and something sour, grief maybe. She tells me she searched every state, every shelter, every fake lead. She whispers, "You were stolen from your crib." The word stolen ricochets inside my ribs. Mom still hasn't spoken. I finally force myself to look at her. Tears race down her cheeks, but she doesn't wipe them. She just mouths, "I love you," so small I almost miss it. And that's the moment the floor tilts. Because love shouldn't feel like a trapdoor, but here I am, dangling over it. If this stranger is right, Mom isn't a rescuer, she's a kidnapper. If Mom is right, this woman is handing me back to monsters. Either way, someone's lying, and the lie is wearing my face. My pulse bangs in my ears, I can't hear the crickets anymore. I think about Sunday pancakes, about her loud laugh when I burn the edges, about the way she flips them too high just to make me smile. I think about the attic box, the baby fold, the missing headline, the impossible dates. I think about running, I think about staying. I think about calling the cops and reporting my own life. The woman reaches out. Her fingers brush mine, ice cold. Mom makes a sound, half sob, half warning. My heart splits down the middle like a wishbone. Whichever side I choose, the other half snaps off and dies. I open my mouth but no voice comes. The porch light flickers once, twice, then steadies, waiting for me to pick a truth before the bulb burns out. The porch boards creak under me like they're about to give up and drop me straight through the world. Mom's tears are silent, but they roar in my ears louder than any scream. The stranger's hand is still touching mine, papery and shaking, and I swear I can feel our pulses knocking together in Morse code. Don't go, stay here, choose me. Everything I thought I understood folds in half, then quarters, then confetti. The missing baby headline flaps between us in the night breeze, the ink smudged by years and rain and maybe lies. My own face stares up from the clipping, same dimple, same cowlick, Except the date underneath says I was already gone before Mom ever found me in that attic box. Which means her rescue story is a bedtime tale she told herself until she believed it. Which means the pancakes, the camera clicks, the way she flinched when people said I had her eyes, none of it was biology, all of it was acting. I want to rewind 20 minutes, staple the box shut, live forever in the dim warmth of maybe. Instead I stand here splitting, wishbone cracking, marrow exposed. If I step toward the stranger, Mom becomes kidnapper. If I step back, maybe I walk away from the only safe I've ever known. My ribs squeeze so tight I think they'll snap my heart in two before I get the chance. I smell Mom's vanilla lotion mixed with the stranger's rainy wool coat, two lullabies colliding. I hear my own breath, ragged, borrowing oxygen from both of them. Time thins to a single thread, the porch bulb hums like it's counting down. I need one truth small enough to swallow, big enough to live inside. Mom, did you save me or steal me? And if I choose you now, does that make me the criminal?